Hey, Julie Thomas here with the STR Visionary, and I want to talk about good reviews and great guests and why those really determine how your hosting journey is going to go. So, from the start, when you first purchase your short-term rental property, and we work with our clients a lot on this, is you very much need to be in line with who your target guest is. Who is the most likely to book your property based on the market that you're in? And how can you set up that property to have the best experience for the guest as possible? And that's really getting into like the psychographic and demographics of your ideal guest, because when you do that, you're providing them with the exact stay that they want and need in order to be happy and in order to then give you a great review. If those two things don't align, your property with what your guest expectations are, that is where you're going to ultimately run into problems. So one of the best things when you make sure that your property aligns with who your ideal guest is that you will have happy guests. And happy guests open up about all sorts of things to you as a host. They'll talk to you about being there for a birthday party and an anniversary and how excited they are. And they're going to come to you for recommendations of local restaurants or activities to participate in the area. They're going to tell you stories afterwards, and then they're going to leave you these big, long, glowing reviews. And let me tell you, when a stay goes perfectly for a guest and a guest leaves 100% satisfied, there is nothing more rewarding as a host than that feeling of like, wow, I created a property that a guest stayed at, they loved it, and then they left a great review, and they're recommending it to others, or they're even coming back time and time again. It is a very rewarding industry to be in because your efforts are directly seen in the outcome that your guests experience. And so what I highly encourage, if you're wanting that to be a real sweet spot, a real love for you of managing short-term rental properties, is getting your property in alignment with the most likely guest at your property so that your guest expectations align with your property, and that leads to great reviews, a happy guest, which also equals a happy host.